Okay, this is how to find a function's inverse. So the first thing we do is we change the notation a little bit, and we replace f of x with y. So we have y equals negative 5x plus 7. And we learned that really what the inverse function does is switches x and y. So that's what we do, is we switch x and y. So x equals negative 5y plus 7. And now all we need to do is solve for y. So we need to isolate y. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 7 from both sides. So we have x minus 7 equals negative 5y. And then here we need to divide by negative 5. So we get x minus 7 over negative 5 equals y. And we've done it. So now we just rearrange things a little bit. I'm going to do it in 2 steps just so you see. X minus 7 over negative 5. And actually, we don't really like the negative 5 in the denominator, so I'm going to make it like that. Negative x minus 7 over 5. And then we want to use the correct notation. So we wanted to find the inverse. So here's our answer. F inverse of x equals negative x minus 7 over 5. Okay, that's one example. We'll do one more example. A more complicated equation. So we do the same steps though. Y equals 2x cubed minus 3. We switch x and y. X equals 2y cubed minus 3. And now we're going to solve for y. So we need to first add 3 to both sides. So x plus 3 equals 2y cubed. Then we need to divide by 2. So x plus 3 over 2 equals y cubed. And now to undo the cube, we need to take the cube root of both sides. I don't really have a big symbol for that, but we're going to cube root both sides. So that just gives us this. The cube root of x plus 3 over 2 equals y. The cube root of y cubed is y. So I do that little extra step of writing it in the way I'm more comfortable with. And then I have the answer. So I'm just going to indicate the answer up here. G inverse of x is the cube root of x plus 3 over 2. Okay, so there's the function, there's its inverse.